Hey guys, Mr. B here, bringing you another video. This one again, part of my solving linear equations series. Couple very short videos. The first one was on just again simple linear equations with one variable. This one's going to have again simple linear equations with variables on both sides. So it ups the level a little bit. So if you didn't watch the first one, you might want to watch the first one. Just get a little introduction to it, and again, what sort of techniques you can learn to do this. Because this one's pretty much similar, just involves another step. That's all. So yeah, you see the difference between this one and in the last video. We would have had something like 5x is equal to 5x plus 1 is equal to say 7. It would have been something like that with a variable on one side and then numbers on both sides. Whereas in this one we have variables on both sides, numbers on both sides, so it's an extra step. So again, it's up to you exactly what you want to do first. If you want to say, I want to, get rid of this plus 1 here first, then, you have to do the opposite, the inverse operation, plus 1, so negative 1 or minus 1. If you want to get rid of the variables first, then it's up to you. It's your choice. My personal preference is to get rid of the variables. Again, no reason why. Probably some teacher many years ago told me that I had to do that, and that's just something that I've developed over the years. That's what I want to do. So again, if you like numbers first, you go ahead and do that. Doesn't change it one bit. As long as we do the same thing to both sides, and we put variables on one side, numbers on the other, doesn't matter what side it is. Again, I put variables on left-hand side when convenient, of course, but yeah, for most of it. So I'm going to get rid of the 2x first here. So 5x. And then I'm going to subtract, this is a plus 2x, I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides. So subtract 2x plus 1, so there's my subtract 2x. Then 2x, subtract 2x plus 6. So these two x's cancel because they're opposite. And then 5x subtract 2x is 3x plus 1 is equal to 6. So now I got to get rid of that plus 1. So I'm going to subtract it from both sides. So I'm going to go 3x plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 6 minus 1. And then that becomes 3x, these cancel, is equal to 5. Then I'm going to divide both sides by 3 because I got 3 times x, so I want to get x by itself, so divide by 3, inverse operation. And then I'm left with, write it over here because I don't have a lot of space left, x is equal to 5 over 3. So you note in this, guys, we don't have a perfect solution. It's not an integer or whole number. We got 5 over 3. That's perfectly possible. And like I say to my students, just leave it like that. You don't need to write it as a decimal. Just leave it like that. And again, if you want to check it, what you need to do is plug it back in. This one you can just try on both sides and see if you get the same number. Alright, let's try another one. So much the same as the last one. We got variables on both sides, numbers on both sides. So again, maybe this time I'll get rid of the number first just to show you that. So I'm going to get rid of the 2 first. And again, what I said in the last video is that you've seen one, now you might want to pause it and try this on your own. And then see how it goes and check with your solution. So I'm going to get rid of the number first. So 7x plus 2 minus 2 is equal to 2x plus 7 minus 2. So cancel. So I'm left with 7x is equal to 2x plus 5. Now I have to combine the variables here, so 2x has to come over with the 7. So I'm going to subtract 2x on both sides because that's positive 2x. So I got 7x minus 2x is equal to 2x minus 2x plus 5. So again, you get these things cancel right here. So I'm left with 5x is equal to 5. So then I divide both sides by 5 because 5 times x, I want to get rid of that 5 in front, so I got to divide. And then I'm left with x is equal to 1. So there you go, guys. Hopefully you're having some success with this stuff. If you got any questions, feel free to drop me an email, drop me a note on on Twitter. I've got Twitter now, so you can hit me up on Twitter. Or you can subscribe, or if you're one of my lovely students, you can talk to me in class. Best of luck, guys. Hopefully this helps.